Hanukkah?
Yeah,
Yeah, Hanukkah, and then the warrior that fought a lion or something like that, or turns into a lion. Hey guys, so me and the Christmas morning.
Are we getting along now?
Yeah. Oh look, she's kicking him. She's kicking him. Oh my gosh, she's kicking him. I have never seen Ivy do that. She just kicks him. She kicks the Orinoco. See? She just kicks him. I think he's just telling. I think she's finally telling him to.
Okay, I don't want them around my fireplace.
Yeah, I know. I won't.
They fly down the hole. That's right. You'd be all upset.
Come here, sweetie.
They go all up
Step up. I don't want you going up the chimney now. You're flying like a reindeer. Here you go. Here you go, guys. Step up, sweetie. It's okay. Okay. Here you go. It's a good way of celebrating the Christmas morning together, sweetheart. That's awesome. Step up, sweetie. Oh, stop. It's okay. Don't worry. You're not in trouble. Oh, don't get jealous just because I'm holding Penelope. I gotcha. It's okay. What, you want to stay? You rather join?